Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to become an entrepreneur in 2024. If you've always dreamed of starting your own business and being your own boss, this video is for you. So I will divide this video in 5 points. And remember, fourth one is very important. Without this, you cannot be an entrepreneur, so watch full video without skipping. First is point. Embrace the digital age. The first step to becoming an entrepreneur in 2024 is to embrace the digital age. With technology constantly evolving, it's important to stay updated and leverage the power of the internet. Learn about online marketing, social media, and e-commerce to reach a wider audience and grow your business. Second point, identify a problem to solve. Next, identify a problem that you're passionate about solving. Successful entrepreneurs often find a gap in the market and create innovative solutions. Think about your own skills, interests, and experiences and find a problem that aligns with them. This will give you a unique edge in the competitive business world. Third point, develop a solid business plan. Once you have your idea, it's time to develop a solid business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will guide you through the initial stages of your entrepreneurial journey and help you stay focused. Fourth point, build a strong network. Networking is crucial for any entrepreneur. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, and join entrepreneurial communities. Connect with mentors who can offer guidance and support. Remember, a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Fifth point, embrace continuous learning. Lastly, never stop learning. The business landscape is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated. Take courses, read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops related to entrepreneurship. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges that come your way. And at end of this video. And there you have it, my friends. A guide on how to become an entrepreneur in 2024. Remember, it won't be easy, but with determination, hard work, and a passion for what you do, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. I believe in you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.